What can you get for just over $1 million in Lakewood Ranch? Let's take a look. Today we're in Windward in the Legacy Model, and for $1 million, you get 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, just under 3,000 square feet, and an awesome lifestyle. Stay to the end of the video and I'll show you on a map how everything works out. Let's go see it. All right, everyone, here we are. As I promised, here's the map. And when you go to oasisgroupfl.com, you could go here to our website. It's a completely free website. No one's going to, force you to put in your information, not an email, not a phone number, nothing. But you can go here and we've got tons of stuff that you can do here. All the blogs, everything else, all the videos, everything else. But you could check out everything right here. But let's go to, as I promised, well, here is what we just saw. Now, Windward, as I said before, 800 houses. The house we just saw, as it sits, is $1.4 million, $1.5 million, around there. Now, if you wanted to build that without a pool, it would just be about 1.2. If you want to build it with a pool, you're looking at 1.3.5. And if you want it on that lot, looking the way that does, you're looking at 1.4, 1.5. So, but again, I mean, you saw it, it's striking. And you saw all the amenities, the amenity center, the gym. It's absolutely fabulous. But let's check out where we are in the vicinity here. So this is Windward right here. So right here is Windward. It's really centrally located. Now, if you look at all of Lakewood Ranch is like right there, right? So, but this is actually a part of Lakewood Ranch. So don't think that it's not Lakewood Ranch because it doesn't feel like Lakewood Ranch, but it is. So do not worry. So here's Windward right there. And here's the cool thing. Right here, it is a half an hour from door to door to the airport, Sarasota Airport. Now, SRQ Airport is small. I think it's only got 12 gates to it, whereas Tampa Airport is about an hour and a half away, but it's an hour and a half. It's a long an hour and a half away, because if you hit traffic, you're 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So it's brutal. Now, you will save a little bit of money and you will get more direct flights with Tampa, but anyone who flies a lot always flies out of Sarasota for the most part, unless you can get a direct flight from Tampa and you don't mind the traffic. But again, I've said this before and I'll say it again. The Tampa airport, it takes a half an hour from the time that you actually park in long-term parking to get to security. A half an hour. That is already not taking into consideration the hour and a half it took to get there. Now, because remember, Tampa airport is actually above Tampa, so you have to go through Tampa when you live in Sarasota. Now, that's the bad news. The good news is Sarasota Airport, from the minute you leave your house to the minute you walk through the door at the Sarasota Airport, a half an hour. So that is absolutely fabulous. See, there's the airport right there. So major aspects of everything. You have the hospital. You have Lakewood Ranch Hospital here. You've got another here. You've got a fantastic Sarasota Memorial Hospital right there. You've got great, fabulous Ellington outlet malls right there with all the cool little things right there. And then you have Costco. You have BJ's. You have everything that's available to you. Also, right here is the UTC Mall. And the UTC Mall has absolutely fabulous places to go. It's got great cafes, it's got great restaurants, Capitol Grill, Seasons 52, a whole bunch of different things at a really high-end mall. It's very cool to go to. And it's really, for the most part, not that packed. So it's neat. And you're about 10 minutes away from that. So from high-class restaurants, you're about 10 minutes away either way. So you can't beat it. Windward is a fabulous community. And again, that's built by Neil. And Neil only builds Florida homes, so they know exactly what they're doing. They know exactly how to build it to Florida codes, obviously, and they really know what they're doing, and they treat their customers very well. So another thing that's really super cool is another restaurant. It's an area for restaurants and cafes called St. Armand's Circle. Now, this is really cool because what you do is you can just drive right there, and you are about 45 minutes away from there. And it's got really cool cafes and restaurants. And you don't actually have to pick what restaurant you want to go to. You could just head on over and argue and negotiate your way. And then when you get there, there are no bad choices. And you've got everything there available to you. Also, here is all the barrier islands with their fantastic beaches. And of course, Siesta Key. Siesta Key's best beaches in the world. I mean, it's really it's an awesome place to go, even if you don't want to go, because a lot of tourists go there, and a lot of people who live here full time don't. But it's almost like a law that you actually have to go and see as the key at least once. And it is a sight to behold. It really is beautiful, and it's really neat. Also, Anna Maria Island, that's a big thing. Holmes Beach, that's a big thing. And we have tons of different things you can do. And it is, if you click on all the museums and parks, and all this is on my website. Again, all this is free. I'm not going to bother you. I'm not going to force you to do anything. Amanda and I made it a conscious decision not to be that kind of website, not to be those kind of realtors and have that kind of real estate company. But if you do want to get a hold of us, all you got to do is click this, and it'll, the first thing that we'll send to you will be a bot. And then after, it's me or Amanda. So do not worry. So you just have to click on that and start the chat, and I am available. We're available 24/7. If we don't get back to you right away, it means we're sleeping or in the shower. So there you go. Anyway, here are all the different things you can do, all the different museums, everything you can go to. And again, this is all on my website. And here is the question I get asked all the time. Here are the golf courses. So all the different, and these are, this isn't even all of them. That's how cool this place is. And if you get to see the bulk of these, email me, text me. Even if you don't want to buy a house, even if you don't want to watch these videos, just text me and tell me that you went here, and tell me what your favorite golf was. But anyway, so here are all the different golf links and courses and shooting ranges, and it's really neat. It is, when they say this is paradise here at the Sarasota area, it really is. So anyway, if we can help you, it doesn't matter whether you're moving in 2 days or 2 years, we'll help you, and we'll help you make a smooth move to Sarasota, and especially to Windward. You have to come check it out. Again, they're from attached villas from $600,000 all the way up to about $1.5 million for the house that we just saw, the Savannah 2. And we'd love to help you any way possible. All right. Have a great one. See you on the next video.